No Hondas were harmed in the making of this video, though.
My Civic, I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, I got the free gas Civic.
Alright, so we ran up on this Honda. I used to have one. Super duper good on gas, man. Thought I'd run up on it. And look what I find just sitting in the seat. Got some Pioneer speakers. Look like somebody started but didn't finish. And look at this. Sony radio. Doesn't look too bad a condition. Actually looks pretty good. Detachable face. So I just gotta find.
This is a factory spoiler that came with the back in the
I gotta find the other part. But see, this is why boys and girls, no matter when you come to the junkyard, you always bring some kind of tool. This might get a little ugly. In my defense, that was already broken halfway anyway. However, this is kind of what you want to avoid doing. But you know, I mean, don't look bad, man. It does not look bad. Actually got the trim. Like, this is the trim that goes around it, but they kind of broke it. But yeah, man. I didn't necessarily come for a radio, but I mean, it's right there. I kind of wish I had a way to test it. I know the C10 is gonna need a radio. We already got one for the Caprice. The Chevelle actually has like a screen, so now we'll have a radio. Okay. Guess I am glad I did come out every day.